Hi Filipino learners! Kumusta kayo? My name is JC and in today's Tagalog Shorts, I will be teaching you the difference between nasaan and saan. Both nasaan and saan are translated as the interrogative pronoun where. However, in Filipino, they are not interchangeable. So when do we use saan and when do we use nasaan? Nasaan is used when you are talking about a location of a specific person or an object. Halimbawa, nasaan ka? Where are you? Nasaan ang mga magulang mo? Where are your parents? Nasaan ang ID mo? Where is your ID? Nasaan ang pera ko? Where is my money? As you can see in all of my examples, there is a person or an object whose location is being asked. Now, how do you properly answer questions like this? The best way is to use nasa. Okay, let's answer the first question. Nasaan ka? Nasa tindahan ako. I'm at the store. So the pattern is, you start with nasa, the location, and then the subject. Okay, let's try the second one. Nasaan ang mga magulang mo? Nasa Bohol sila. They're in Bohol. By the way, Bohol is a province in the Philippines and it's a must visit if you haven't been. Okay, next is, nasaan ang ID mo? Nasa bag ko ang ID ko. My ID is in my bag. Nasaan ang pera ko? Nasa lamesa ang pera mo. Your money is on the table. Sometimes, though, we omit the subject when answering. So you can say, nasa tindahan, nasa Bohol, nasa bag ko, nasa lamesa. Saan is used when you're asking where an action or an event is taking place. Halimbawa, saan ka pupunta? Where are you going? So here, you're not asking for a location of a person or an object. Instead, you're asking where the person is going. So there's an action there. Next is, saan ka nakatira? Where do you live? Again, you're not asking for the location of a person or an object, but rather where the action of living is taking place. Okay? Next, saan ka mag-aaral? Where will you study? Saan kayo nagkakilala? Where did you meet? An easy way to tell that you should use saan is when you find a verb. Okay, so how do we answer questions like these? Let's answer the first one. Saan ka pupunta? Pupunta ako sa mall. I'm going to the mall. So you start with the action, which would include the verb and the subject, and then the word sa, and lastly, the location. Saan ka nakatira? Nakatira ako sa Laguna. I live in Laguna. Saan ka mag-aaral? Mag-aaral ako sa Maynila. I will study in Manila. Saan kayo nagkakilala? Nagkakilala kami sa opisina. We met at the office. And sometimes we omit the action or event that is taking place. So you can just say sa mall, sa Laguna, sa Maynila, sa opisina. Well, that's it for today's Tagalog Shorts. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And for any questions, leave a comment. I'll do my best to answer them. And also, please click subscribe and the notification bell for more videos like this. Salamat sa panonood. Sa susunod ulit. Paalam.